Hi, my name is Aki Emmanuel, and I'm one of the students in the AI Tech community of web designing. Web designing, as we know, is one of the things every business needs, and you becoming a web designer is a plus for you. It's a win-win. You create for your business, you create for other people, and what do you make? You make profit. So far so good. At AI Tech community, I've been able to learn how to design websites even from the scratch. Yes, not just websites, but responsive website, beautiful website, how to know some technology behind every website you see on the internet, and so many things like that. We have been told that there are so many things you're still going to learn in the class, like how to write winning proposals, and all of those things that will make you a better web designer out there. One thing I love so much about the instructor is that he's ever ready to answer your questions. He's ever ready to give you feedback on any challenges you might be facing. He's just the best person out there. I won't lie to you. There are people who are out there that knows this web design very well, but so many are not really chance, are busy, are very busy to create out time to teach other people. But this is an opportunity for you to learn, because the instructor is in his own capacity will make sure he's attending to whatever needs you have as per web design. So this is just the best platform for you to learn that web design of your design. You've just gotten to the place, the particular place, the bus stop. You need to learn how to create amazing website. Can join us in the AI Tech community today, and also be a testifier, because I'm so happy. Though I've not gotten there already, but I can see that I'm so happy right now, because I'm so happy because I'm in this community, and there are so many things to still cover. There are so many things to still learn by God's grace, and we are moving forward and forward. Join us today.